Once you've reached your conference room, please feel free to use the button in the bottom left hand corner to hide the side menu to give yourself further room. In your conference room, you'll be presented with the internal extension number that you can dial from any touch technology associated device, such as your Polycom, app, or live communications extension, a DDI number if one is associated to your conference room, and some information about the current number of participants in the room. You may select the green phone icon here to initiate a call into the room. In the box on the left hand side here, it will show anyone who has dialed into your conference room, showing their name, their number, and the duration of their call. As the conference room owner, you can choose to place them on mute or hang up the call. To the right hand side, you can choose to enable video. That is for both internal and external parties from whatever device they are using. By selecting the video icon, you are choosing to accept to send your video. Unless you specifically select this video icon here, you will not share your video with other participants. You may select the cog at the bottom down here to alter some configuration. This will include your video camera that you are using to show your video, but also your potential audio input and output devices. This is because built into every conference room is a softphone WebRTC client, meaning that even external third-party users can dial into the conference room free of charge from anywhere in the world. Slightly below this, there is the option to send and receive instant messages as part of your conference call, as well as file share, and the option to screen share that we also saw on the home page. You may choose to change some settings in regards to the image quality and the frame rate refresh rate. Increasing these will make the screen sharing more seamless, but does require a higher level of bandwidth. Along the top, we have various options, one of which is the ability to send a URL link to anybody, anywhere, either internal or third party, to view your conference room. This link here can be put into any browser, and once they have been put into a browser, the end user from either internal or third party will be presented with a view that gives them the same view we see here. That means they can see your audio dialing details, they can choose the dialing using the inbuilt WebRTC client, they can choose to start sharing their video, and they will see any screen sharing content that you happen to be sharing. By selecting the refresh button here, it will invalidate any previously used codes. This means that codes are secure and can be used on single instances should you wish to. You can also choose to create a permanent key for recurring meetings or internal meetings as per your preference. If you wish to pull somebody into an ad hoc meeting, you can choose to type in their name or number in here and press the green button, and it will initiate a call out to that individual. When they answer the phone, it will state they are being invited to a touch technology conference call. Please press 1 to join. The settings cog allows you to personalize your room for a variety of settings, including recording your conference calls. And if you are recording your conference calls, they will appear on the next option available. Finally, you can choose to send out an Outlook ICS file invitation, which is the same as sending a meeting agenda email from Outlook itself. You can choose to select which internal users you wish to receive the invitation, free type any external participants you wish to receive the invitation, the subject and body of the email, and the time and date information. When you select Invite to Conference, they will receive the dynamic key to your conference room. This is sent from our own SMTP server, so it does not require integration to Office 365 or your Exchange service in order to work. Finally, on the right hand side, I can select this icon here to see anyone who has my URL for my conference room available and open. The settings cog in the bottom left hand corner is all around notifications. If you receive instant message notifications using the aforementioned instant messaging tool, you can choose in here to turn notifications on, off, or to obey DND, do not disturb.